Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Marineland Penguin 350 is probably one of the most popular and reliable hang-on-back filters on the market, and for good reason, as it offers a robust 3-stage filtration system that effectively cleans and oxygenates your aquarium water, making it an excellent choice for fish keepers looking to maintain a healthy and vibrant aquatic environment for their beloved pets. Number 5. Marineland Penguin BioWheel Filter Cartridges. Introducing the Marineland Penguin BioWheel Replacement Filter Cartridges. These are designed to fit your Marineland Penguin BioWheel power filters perfectly. Replacing your filter has never been easier. These pre-assembled cartridges slide right into place, making the process fast, dry, and effortless. Experience superior mechanical and chemical filtration. The patented ribbed backing ensures optimal water-to-carbon contact for crystal clear, clean water. Finding the right fit is simple. Our color-coded, right-size packaging makes it easy to choose the correct replacement cartridge for your filter. Count on Marineland for reliable and advanced aquarium products. We provide the best filtration solutions for your aquatic needs. These high-quality filter cartridges are proudly made in the USA, ensuring excellent performance and durability for your aquarium. What we like. If you're looking for reliable, US-made filter cartridges, these are a great choice. They offer a no-fabric design for enhanced filtration and are incredibly easy to install. For those who prioritize convenience and domestic manufacturing, these are the ones to get. What people say. The Marineland Penguin 350 BioWheel Power Filter is a great filter that keeps my 75-gallon tank crystal clear. The BioWheel feature is a great addition to this filter, as it helps to keep the water clean and healthy for the fish. This filter is also very quiet and easy to set up. Number 4. Marineland Carbon Bags. Introducing Marineland Carbon Bags, the essential media for your aquarium's chemical filtration. These easy-to-use bags are packed with premium activated carbon. Say goodbye to cloudy water. Our activated carbon effectively removes discoloration, odors, and impurities, ensuring a healthy environment for your aquatic life. Designed for convenience, they fit all Marineland C-Series and MagniFlow canister filters, including right-size S, T, and X models. For the best results and optimal filtration, remember to replace these bags monthly as the carbon deactivates with use. Trust in Marineland, a leader in reliable and advanced aquarium products. We provide the accessories your aquarium needs to thrive. What we like. If you're dealing with cloudy water or unpleasant smells in your aquarium, these carbon bags are your solution. They effectively remove impurities and discoloration for crystal clear water. For anyone seeking to improve water clarity and eliminate odors across various Marineland filter systems, these are ideal. What people say. The Marineland Penguin 350 BioWheel Power Filter is a great filter for tanks up to 55 gallons. It has a large media capacity, allowing for excellent biological filtration. The BioWheel design provides continuous biological filtration, which is crucial for a healthy aquarium environment. Number 3. Marineland Penguin 450 GPH Power Aquarium Filter. Introducing the Marineland Penguin 450 GPH Power Aquarium Filter, designed for aquariums up to 90 gallons. Experience superior water clarity and a healthy aquatic environment. Our exclusive BioWheel technology provides advanced wet-dry biological filtration. This ensures a thriving ecosystem for your fish by continuously providing essential biological filtration. It delivers comprehensive mechanical, chemical, and biological filtration. This multi-stage process guarantees a pristine and healthy aquatic environment for your aquarium inhabitants. For optimal performance, use this filter with the Marineland Right-Size E-Filter cartridge. It's designed for a perfect fit and easy replacement. This powerful filter comes in 6 different sizes to suit your specific aquarium needs. From 10 to 90 gallons, there's a perfect fit for every tank. Enjoy customizable water flow with its impressive capacity of up to 450 GPH. You can easily adjust the flow rate to match your aquarium's requirements. What we like. If you desire a pristine and healthy aquatic environment with minimal noise, this filter is a top contender. Its BioWheel technology ensures superior biological filtration, complemented by mechanical and chemical stages. For those who want an ultra-quiet, high-performance filter for larger tanks up to 90 gallons, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The Marineland Penguin 350 BioWheel Power Filter is a great filter for a 50-gallon tank. It keeps the water clean and clear, and the BioWheel feature is a nice addition. This filter is very quiet and effective. It has a good flow rate and the BioWheel helps to keep the tank healthy. I have been using this filter for over a year now, and it has been working great. It is easy to set up and maintain, and it does a good job of filtering the water. Number 2. XBBWMRS Replacement Filter Cartridges for Marineland Penguin Pro. Introducing the XBBWMRS Replacement Filter Cartridges, designed to be compatible with Marineland Penguin Pro Power Filters. Ensure optimal performance for your aquarium with these high-quality filters. These cartridges are ready to use right out of the box. Simply rinse and install them into your power filter for quick and efficient filtration. For best results, replace every 2 to 4 weeks. Experience a 3-stage filtration system that keeps your fish healthy. It effectively removes debris, waste, odors, and impurities, ensuring clear and fresh water. Our humanized design features special pressing technology for durability and a fuller filtration effect. The advanced grid ensures complete contact with water for maximum purification. The durable construction prevents separation and ensures that impurities are captured effectively. Enjoy crystal clear water thanks to its superior filtration capabilities. We stand by our product with a 2-year warranty. If you have any questions or concerns, our friendly service team is here to help you. What we like. If you need a fast and effective filtration solution for your Marineland power filters, consider these cartridges. They offer a robust 3-stage filtration system and are designed for quick, hassle-free installation. For users who value durability and a comprehensive filtration process, these offer excellent value and performance. What people say. The Marineland Penguin 350 BioWheel Power Filter is a great filter for keeping your aquarium clean and healthy. It has a large capacity for media, allowing you to customize your filtration. The BioWheel technology ensures excellent biological filtration, which is crucial for a healthy tank. Number 1. Marineland Penguin BioWheel 200 and 350 Filter Cartridge Bundle. Keep your aquarium water crystal clear with this essential filter cartridge bundle. Designed for optimal filtration, it ensures a healthy environment for your aquatic life. This bundle is specifically designed for the Marineland Penguin BioWheel 200 and 350 power filters. It provides a perfect fit for seamless replacement. We've also included a replacement BioWheel assembly for your convenience. This part only needs replacing if it shows signs of physical damage. Even if you have the discontinued Penguin BioWheel 170 and 330 models, these cartridges are compatible. You can continue to maintain your filter's performance. These are Marineland Right Size C filter cartridges, ensuring you get the correct size and quality for your filtration needs. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance. This value pack contains 12 cartridges, ensuring you have a supply for an extended period. Save money and time with this convenient bundle. What we like. If you own a Marineland Penguin 200 or 350 filter and need both cartridges and a BioWheel assembly, this bundle is for you. It provides a cost-effective way to get essential replacement parts. For those looking to maintain their specific filter models with genuine Marineland components, this comprehensive package is a smart buy. What people say. The Marineland Penguin 350 BioWheel Power Filter is a great filter for aquariums up to 50 gallons. It has a large capacity for media, allowing for excellent biological filtration. The BioWheel design ensures continuous biological filtration, keeping the water clean and healthy for fish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.